Hey, mathletes! Today we're diving into the world of bearings, a super useful way to describe direction. Bearings are used everywhere, from navigation and surveying to map making and even robotics. Imagine you're a ship's captain sailing the open seas or a pilot flying high in the sky. How would you describe your direction? That's where bearings come in. They help us pinpoint our location and chart the course ahead. So buckle up and get ready to become a bearing pro. In this crash course, we'll explore two main types of bearings: true bearings and compass bearings. We'll break down what they are, how they differ, and how to convert between them like a true math whiz. Let's start with true bearings. These guys are all about precision. A true bearing is an angle measured clockwise from true north. Think of it like a giant protractor with north being 0 degrees. True bearings are always written with 3 digits, no matter what. For example, a true bearing of 045 degrees means you're heading 45 degrees clockwise from true north. That's roughly northeast. Similarly, 120 degrees would point you southeast, and 270 degrees would be due west. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's talk about compass bearings. These are the bearings you'll often encounter when using a compass. Instead of just numbers, they use a combination of north or south along with an angle and east or west. For instance, north 30 degrees east means you're facing north and then turning 30 degrees towards the east. Similarly, south 45 degrees west means you're facing south and then turning 45 degrees towards the west. See? Easy peasy. So, what's the main difference between these two types of bearings? Well, it all comes down to the reference point. True bearings are always measured from true north, which is a fixed point on Earth's axis. On the other hand, compass bearings are measured from magnetic north, which is the direction your compass needle points to. Confused? Don't worry. Just remember that true north and magnetic north are not always the same. The difference between them is called magnetic declination, and it varies depending on your location on Earth. Now the fun part. Converting between true and compass bearings. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Let's try an example. Say you have a compass bearing of north 60 degrees east, and you want to convert it to a true bearing. First, visualize it. You're facing north and turning 60 degrees towards the east. This angle is already measured from north and in a clockwise direction, so it's also your true bearing, 060 degrees. Converting from true to compass bearings follows a similar logic. Imagine a true bearing of 225 degrees. This places you southwest. To express this as a compass bearing, determine the angle towards west from south. Since 225 degrees is 45 degrees past 180 degrees or south, the compass bearing would be south 45 degrees west. See, with a little practice, you'll be converting bearings like a pro in no time. And that's bearings in a nutshell. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what bearings are to distinguishing between true and compass bearings and even converting between them. Remember, the key is to practice, practice, practice. So grab a compass, draw some diagrams, and try some practice questions.